The woman without wrinkles. She is 33 and uses only 2 ingredients to beautify. The famous actress Priyanka Chopra has conquered the whole world with her natural beauty. She has been crowned Miss World, and she was the first Indian woman to be on the cover of Guess magazine. She has more than 15-year career in the industry. This beautiful 33-year-old actress has learned many different beauty tips and tricks and decided to share some of them with you. Hair. Priyanka is ultra popular all over Bollywood for her beautiful hair and cause of the modern and trendy hairstyles, which she changes very often. Priyanka takes a good care of her hair with a hot oil massage 3 times per week. She said that hot oil is the best treatment for the hair, and it really helps in controlling any damage or hair loss. Skin. She said that the most important thing about healthy and beautiful skin is hydration. Hydration, hydration, hydration. You should always wash your face before you go to sleep, no matter what. She also mentioned that she often uses 2-ingredient homemade mask made out of lemon and yogurt. I use yogurt for my hair and skin. This is my hair mask recipe. I mix half a cup of yogurt for hydration and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for exfoliation. You need to apply this mask on your hair, then rub the hair down to the root, let it rest for 30 minutes, and then you need to wash it with shampoo. That's it, she says. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.